Strong.
You might get one or two.
Oh yeah, Captain M.
That's it.
Made it look easy, mate.
Yeah, but it was tough.
Yeah?
It was tough. The last 5 minutes were tough, but yeah.
Still got the job done.
Yeah, luckily.
Oh, what a great start to the EMX series. 1-3 for first overall. Can't ask better than that, can we? Hi guys, I'm Sid from Plews Tyres. I'm the motorsport manager. I run all the motocross side of it, the enduro, all the events, all the sponsorship. So going into 2026, we're going to be in the Mxgp paddock. We've got a few EMX teams, so it's a big year for us. We've got a crew of 5-6 of us. We've got Ashley Vowles, who's our technical director, Tristan James, who's a technician, and Luigi, who is crew chief. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. It's going to be a good year. Ready. Looking forward to it. 1 in 3 in qualifying, so yeah, hopefully we'll have a good race and we'll be on the podium.
Pero atención porque hay una guerra, hay una nueva perseguidor. Bauer con la 292.
Yeah, it was a really good race. Took a good start. Was simply, I think. Then took the lead in first lap, and then just tried to control it. So I'm really happy about it.
Great job. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You made it look easy, mate.
Yeah, but it was tough.
Yeah?
It was tough. The last 5 minutes were tough, but yeah.
How
Brought
was
it
the
home.
track on the 125?
I was good. Wasn't that rough, but was okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was
You
good.
think you had more in the tank?
Yeah, for some laps I could still push.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All for tomorrow then.
Yeah, for sure.
Strong.
Welcome to Motocross. Not a
Thank
bad
you.
start.
Oh, awesome! Absolutely fantastic. What a result.
I mean, start of the race is not too good, but I did my best and fight through. Not so much preparation to go here. Broke my wrist 6 weeks ago. Yeah, I mean, started riding last week for that. It's the best what we could have done.
Welcome, Bauer. Good job. You take rest now. Then I want to discuss about 2-3 things with you, because we can make better.
Some places he stay on his line.
Keep to stay too much on your line.
Yeah,
Well done.
but I think
Yeah, the boys did a good job. I just watched, so for me it was easy. The easiest part from the from the team. I'm the easiest guy. No mechanic, no rider. So, no, but they did a good job. They ride good. One guy get the start, and the other one was out from the top 15. So he managed to come through the pack till P4. So I think and after comes back after an injury. So I think I'm super happy about today's results.
Full factory tyre sticker on the go, eh?
That's it. Only the best.
What do these sell for? Are they factory only?
Factory only.
Oh yeah.
Unless you come and see us at a meeting, you might get one or two.
Oh yeah. Captain M.
That's it. Otherwise, factory.
Antes de poder
suele estar en las primeras posiciones en las carreras y ayer hacía... Y su TM. Botean esas banderas amarillas con algún leve problema de piloto. Y Jordi. Ahí vemos cómo lo harían.
What happened, mate?
I don't know, mate. I was going into the corner and dump mistake from me. It is what it is.
Still got the job done?
Yeah. Luckily.
Could have waited a bit.
I know.
But it's okay. You lost the win. It was your. You were faster.
I know. Good job.
Good job.
Anyway.
We go there to wash the face.
Y entrega también, entrega también el premio al francés en segunda posición y primero Mortiz del KTM, que recibe, si tenemos a estos chicos celebrando su podium.
Yes, exactly. I'm really happy to take the rep plate. Was a mixed weekend now with the second moto, but really happy about the overall win. So yeah, I'm really happy.
Finger hug. Tom, sorry.
We started to the EMX series, 1-3 for first overall. Can't ask better than that, can we?
Nice to have him on top for the first round.
Yeah, it's okay. It's been a tough race, like always the first race. It's always tough, but he had also a small mistake in the third part of the race, so almost on the end, so he could manage to win also the second moto, but he unfortunately went on the floor and he has no chance after to come back. So with the P1 and P3 he managed to win the GP, so he's fine. It's okay for the motivation and everything, but you know, it's a long championship. We have to do weekend after weekend, and also I'm looking forward for Ricardo because he showed a good speed but recovery from one injury. So I think he was first moto P4 and second moto he was already sixth when he crashed and come dead last to P10. So he did a solid race. I'm happy about both riders. Everything is going well. Big thanks to all our partners and to KTM.
Pero atención porque hay una